Hi, welcome to Introduction to Hybrid Teaching and Learning as a part of EDGE program. My name is Yun Mo. I'm an instructional designer at the eLearning department. Along with Robin Leeson, I'll be leading the workshop. In this video, I'm going to show you how you would start the training before the workshop. Since the workshop is about hybrid learning and teaching, we would like to invite you to start the coursework before the workshop. So you'll be prepared to jump right into the learning material at the workshop. So first of all, you'll be logging into your Canvas account. So on the landing page of the dashboard, at the top, you will see an invitation for EDGE, Introduction to Hybrid Teaching and Learning workshop here. And then you just go ahead and click on the Accept button. And then that'll take you to the course website. This is the home page. I would like you to take a little moment and then read the contents. And then go ahead and start with the modules. So at the top of the modules page, you will see a list of pages that I would like you to take a moment and read. And also you'll find some supplemental resources such as a support center, communication center module, and then you'll see module 0. So this is the pre-workshop activities that you would and you need to do before the workshop. So the first one is a discussion assignment, and the second one is an assignment. So in the discussion one, we'll be talking about what is hybrid. So in this discussion board assignment, you are going to be watching a couple of very short videos. Each one of them lasts about a couple of minutes, actually less than 2 minutes. And then you will be just briefly talk about what you already know or what you think you already know about what hybrid teaching and learning is about, and then compare that with the video demonstration here. So what they kind of try to introduce about what hybrid teaching and learning is about. So just compare to your understanding, and then you post a discussion. A couple of things to aware. One is the deadline. So this particular workshop is on Friday. I want you to go ahead and submit your original initial post by the Wednesday. So it'll be at least a couple of days prior to the workshop. And then I would also want you to engage in discussion by replying to your peer faculty members to basically reply to other trainees' posts. So you'll engage in discussions. So to post the discussion, you just go down to the bottom of the page and then click on reply. All right, so that is the discussion board assignment. And the other one is, let me just scroll down and then go click on the next one. And the next one is assignment 1. It is about listing what you already do in your face-to-face class. So what do you do in a typical day? So I would like to compile a list of activities and then kind of describe their functions. For example, calling attendance is an activity that may take a few minutes depending on how you do it. And also one of the functions of calling attendance would be keeping track of student activities, if the student's coming to the class or not. So that sort of kind of things. Just describe the function of those activities, and then you're going to be submitting. There's one thing, again, here, there is a video to watch. This particular video is fairly lengthy. It's about almost an hour long. So I'm not sure if we have 1 hour to watch the whole video. If you do, that'll be great. If you don't, just feel free to speed up. So it shows, this link will show you how you can speed up the video so you can watch the whole or at least part of the video in a shorter time. And then I want you to, for this assignment, I want you to go ahead and use the Microsoft Word to submit it. To submit the assignment, you go to top right corner. There is the submit assignment button. So that'll take you to the bottom of the same page. And then you just go ahead and click on browse. And then if you have any comments, and then click on the submit button. So with these two pre-workshop activities, you'll be all prepared to just dive into to learn about hybrid teaching and learning at the workshop. All right, I look forward to seeing you. Thank you. Bye-bye.